Be nice, guys. Just throw out 2 buckets of pecans. There's plenty. No fighting. These young guys like to fight. Like he's going after him. Oh, yeah, chase. Oh, yeah. Be nice. These young guys just like to scrap. Play nice, guys. Got himself got yourself a good one. Oh, big jump to the trees. Oh, come on. Come on, what you looking at? Yeah, I got the good ones right here. Come here. There you go. Ooh, right off the head. Right off the noodle. Oh, who's that? Oh, Sweetie. Sweetie, is that you, Sweetie? No, that looks like son of Sweetie. Here you go, I got a big one for you. Come here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's Sweetie direction over there. So many new babies out here. We got a ton of babies. It's crazy. Thank God we got 600 or 700 pounds yesterday from Lane Southern Orchard. They've been fantastic. And they gave us, I mean, like 50 or 60 pounds of the grade A ones. I mean, they were packaged and just unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. I mean, they donate so much already, and then they gave us all of these grade A ones that were packed in like 16 bags. They were like 3-pound bags or whatever, but they were just filled up the whole refrigerator. And then the other 600 pounds we got in containers. And those are the ones that may be like a little cracked or damaged, but still perfect for squirrels. I mean, it's just been amazing. Squirrels are happy. Got plenty of pecans. And then I got a call yesterday as I was driving back from Lane Southern Orchard from the other pecan place, Georgia Pecan. And a lady had said that they had a bunch of pecans they were willing to drop down to $2 a pound, which is a great deal. I would have probably bought 50 pounds if I hadn't picked up, but she said she's gonna hold them for me. Oh, here comes another one. Who's that? Come on. He looks like, who are you? Come here. No? Okay, don't worry. Here you go. That's a new one. See, a lot of new ones. A little skittish. Look at these guys over here, they're fighting. Be nice. Oh, here's another little baby. What are you doing there, little one? See, they'll see the adults coming up here, and they learn. You can always tell the new ones, he's got a fresh tail, and they digging around in the dirt. And oh, you found something? You found something, all right. There's a, no good. Come on, little one, come over here. Come over here. All right, come here. I'll get you something. Come on. He looks like the other one that was just over here. They must be new, like out of the nest. Come on, you ready? Oh, look how cute. Here you go, here you go. Yep, same direction as the other one. They look like siblings. They start to venture out. And we got all these young squirrels all over the place over here. I mean, it's just been crazy. But luckily, we got all the pecans. Oh, another one. Come on, little one. Come on, there's a bunch over here. Oh, he found one. Be nice, guys. What are you guys doing over here? You guys are always fighting with each other. Jumpy. Hey. Oh, one of them's fight. Hey, leave them alone. What are you guys doing? One of them's chasing the other. The young ones, they always like to scrap. And then you got, look at this little guy over here. He's small. He's a little one. Yep, he's a little one. There's another little one. Uh-oh, let me try to get out of this. How do I get out of this? Here we go. Oh, they're all coming out now. Squirrel land is buzzing right now. Look at that little guy. He's small, look at him. Oh, no. That one's no good. He's trying out everything. There's another little baby one here. It's loaded up, but look at these two guys up here, and they're all tiny. These are all baby squirrels. Oh my goodness. So many baby squirrels. Alright guys, I gotta get inside. Oh, be nice. I'll be back in a second. Oh. What you guys doing? Oh. Oh my gosh, these guys are funny. All the little ones. Alright, let me get going, guys. See you, little baby. I'll be back in a little bit.